Good day, everyone. Here is a quick overview of our study entitled Design of an NFC LoRa-enabled alert system for enhancing school-based emergency response in San Simon, Pampanga. The study aims to design and evaluate an NFC LoRa-enabled alert system to improve emergency response in a private Catholic school in San Simon, Pampanga. Specifically, the study aims to 1. Explore respondents' insights regarding emergency situations, existing alert practices, and the information needed for effective emergency notifications within the school setting. 2. Identify potential improvements in the system based on respondents' feedback. 3. Evaluate the effectiveness of the prototype in supporting timely and efficient emergency response. And 4. Analyze the accuracy and reliability of the system in enhancing the efficiency and responsiveness of emergency procedures. As seen in the image, Node 1, located in room X, represents the classrooms. This device has an NFC reader where a student or staff member can tap an NFC card to send an alert. The tapping of the card simulates a situation where someone in the classroom needs immediate assistance. Once the card is tapped, the alert is sent wirelessly to Node 2, located in room Y, which represents the clinic. The two nodes communicate using LoRa technology, which allows information to travel across rooms even with walls in between. After receiving the signal, the clinic can view the alert through a web application. The web app displays the notification, including where the alert came from, the student ID, and the necessities needed, allowing clinic personnel to respond quickly and efficiently. Through this study, we aim to determine whether the system is fast, accurate, reliable, and helpful in improving emergency communication between classrooms and the clinic.